What is it that you should do when you feel you can't deliver for your client? Hi guys, my name is Deepak Shukla, founder at the Pearl Lemon Group. We're a business growth and development agency based in the UK, USA, as well as serving clients worldwide. And today, in day number 83, we're here to talk about that challenging, kind of emotional feeling, as well as practical, about what you should do when you just feel you can't deliver for your client. But before we get into it, feel free to click the link in the description below to get access to 7 additional strategies that are not shared in this training, as well as contacting us if you need any support with your communications. So look, if you've not yet watched day 82, I highly recommend you watch day 82 because it will feed into this. So look, there's going to be instances where you just feel you're in over your head, you're overwhelmed, and you're unable to meet the mark. So these are, there's a couple of things that you should do when you feel you can't deliver. The first thing is, relax and breathe. Like, don't panic, because it does happen. There's situations where despite your best efforts, you just think, I'm not going to be able to deliver. I can't make this happen. What is it that I should do? So the second thing that you want to do after you relax and breathe is ask for help. It should not be the case that you do not have anyone that you can call upon. It should not be the case that you're managing this all by yourself. There should be someone within the company who you've got access to that has the ability to help you deliver for this client. If there isn't, then that's a big problem. If there isn't, then definitely there should be a consideration that you hold your hands up and tell the client that you're in over your head, you're not sure you can deliver. What would they like to do? If they'd like, to discontinue the campaign, wrap up payments, or refund, whatever's the most appropriate, you're happy to do that. And in some instances, the clients might say, well, you know what, this has been a challenge. I appreciate you being honest with me. That's the first time I've heard that. I'd like us to continue, and your best shot, even if you think it's going to fall short of the mark, I still think is going to be better than many of the others out there. In my early days, when I thought I could do something and then I got into it and I felt I couldn't deliver, I saw this happen, okay? This was when I was running the agency, just me, by myself, and I was going through certain challenges and there was no one to really ask for help. I would ultimately, tell the client, and they'd continue with me. So there's 2 layers of help. Ask for help within the organization. So if you're part of a company, then you should really have help within your company, okay? You should have someone who could help out and support you. If you're a solopreneur, if you're the only person that's working on this project, if there's some issue which means that people within the company cannot help you, then you could ask for help ask for help. You just ask for external help, basically. So that could be via your network, people that you know. It could be forums. It could be paying for a consult yourself. There's actually a lot of ways that you can get help when you feel you can't deliver. So if a client is, for example, paying you £100, and for whatever reason you feel you can't deliver, watch some Udemy courses, watch a YouTube tutorial, talk to someone on, post in a couple of forums, pay a consultant to help train you. There's nothing wrong with asking for help. There's sometimes going to be cases where, for whatever reason, you feel you can't deliver. Once you've managed to relax and avoid panic, asking for help within your company is most often the way that you can get the help that you're looking for. And if for whatever reason that help is unavailable or inaccessible, then you need to ask for help via your network. And then through these 3 areas, you can breathe more peacefully and just begin to get the help that you need to help deliver for this client. And that's always going to be the case, right? Where some elements of a campaign make you feel you're in over your head. And it should always be the case that you should be able to reach out to somebody within the team. And if there isn't anybody, then you need to reach out to your network, okay? And if there isn't anybody, even after all of those things, then you be honest with the client, okay? So then, but this is the order in which things should happen, okay? These are the 4 steps that you relax, breathe in order to not panic. You ask for help within your company. Or I should say, you ask for help within your company and you ask for help via your network and, via your network / forums, online courses. This type of element is going to help you. There's lots of help that's online more often than not. And if 1, 2, and 3 for some reason don't work, and I'd be very, very surprised if through all of those elements, being able to manage your stress and then being able to ask for help within the company, as well as ask for help via networks, forums, and online courses, just Googling in general, you should be able to find some way to find a solution for your client. If those things don't happen, then you can be honest with your client about your feeling, and in some instances they may continue with you. Okay, in some instances they may continue with you, especially if you raise this soon into the campaign or sooner into the campaign rather than later. But these are the strategies that you should engage with. So there you have it, guys. This is day 83. Please do comment below if you're getting value from these videos with your takeaways, and yeah, subscribe if you're enjoying them. Thank you so much.